Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking Zindagi. Today I am going to show you all Pav Bhaji recipe, which is famous Mumbai street food. It is a blend of vegetables and soft pav buns, but this is completely home style and very different from the street side. I will show street style recipe in another video. Homemade tastes almost same, much more healthy and economical as well. Now let's see the recipe. In a pressure cooker, take one small or half a medium sized cabbage roughly chopped, 2 to 3 potatoes diced, 2 small carrots chopped. Now add half cup of water, close the lid and pressure cook for 3 whistles. Now let's see after 3 whistles. You can see vegetables are cooked nicely. Allow it to cool down and separate the water. You can use this water as vegetable stock for soups. Now heat water in a vessel. Add 1 cup of chopped capsicum. Cook for around 15 minutes or until they soften. You can see they are cooked nicely. Keep aside to cool completely. Similarly, heat water in separate vessel. Add 1 cup of peas. Here I am using frozen peas which are thawed. Once cooked, you can see in the video they are nicely cooked. Keep aside and allow it to cool down. Now take a blender, add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 10 garlic pods, roughly chopped. Grind this to a smooth paste, adding little water. This is how the paste looks like. Now take 2 small tomatoes, roughly chopped, and blend this to a smooth puree. Now take capsicum in the blender without any water and blend this to a smooth paste. Now take the boiled peas in the blender without water and blend to a coarse paste. If you want peas bits in the bhaji, this is the peas paste. Next take the boiled and cooked cabbage, potatoes, carrots in the blender and blend to a smooth paste. Divide 125 grams of butter to small blocks. Add 1 block at a time. Heat a wide pan. Once the butter is melted, add the cumin garlic paste. Saute well until the raw smell vanishes. Add another block of butter. Allow the butter to melt completely. Now add the Kashmiri red chili paste. Mix well. You can see the beautiful red color. Now add the prepared tomato puree. Mix well until the raw smell vanishes and oil comes out. Then add the capsicum puree. Saute for a couple of minutes. Now add the peas paste. Mix until everything is well combined. Add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of pav bhaji masala. Mix everything well. Add salt as per your preference. Finally, add the leftover butter. Keep frying and adding the butter as and when needed. Finally, add the puree of cabbage, potatoes and the carrots which we have prepared. Now, reduce the flame to low. Make sure at this point the flame is completely low as bubbles pop up from the mixture. Keep stirring slowly for at least 10 minutes. You can adjust the consistency of the bhaji with the leftover vegetable stock that we have. Keep stirring until the bhaji reaches the desired consistency. Now our homemade bhaji is ready to serve with the hot pavs. Now let's prepare the laddi pav buns. Cut the pav buns with the knife. Heat a pan, spread some butter on it. Once the butter is melted, add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, few coriander leaves and place the pav buns on it. Fry on all sides as shown in the video. Now our hot pav buns are ready to serve. Transfer them to the serving plate. Serve them hot with the pav bhaji which we have prepared, some onions and lemon juice. This is a completely energy-packed homemade pav bhaji. This dish will fill your tummy and your heart as well. Do try it and let us know how it turns in comments. Subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. Happy cooking Zindagi!